How to do multiple accounts in Roblox PC. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to do multiple accounts in Roblox PC. First, log in to your Roblox account. Next, go to the Chrome Web Store and search for Roblox Multi-Accounts. Once you find it, click on Add to Chrome. After that, click on Add Extension to install it. Once the extension is installed, go to the extension section in your browser and pin it for easy access. Now, go back to Roblox and click on the extension icon in the top right corner of your browser. Select Add to manage another account. You can now switch between multiple Roblox accounts seamlessly. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.